Hi guys, welcome back to our great channel, which is imam TV. Today we are going to show us how to know all about anything you see. To know what all about anything you see using Google Lens app. Some phone are coming with Google Lens, but the others are coming, especially old versions. So we are not going to use the app. We are going to use Google itself, Google app. Since the Google Lens is provided and produced by Google, we are going to use Google. Some cameras are coming from Google with Google Lens, while others doesn't have. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the first page that will open. We are going to use this camera icon to what? To scan or to take a pictures of anything that we want to know more about it. So let's get started. Let's press this camera like this. So if the photo is, since we have not connected to the internet, you must to connect to what? To the internet. Let's connect. So if you want to know about something that you are in, that is in your place, so you can take a pictures and scan it. If you have already taken a picture, it is in your gallery, so you can click on this gallery icon like this and comes here to what? To select what you want to know more about it. Let's start from this thing, these pictures. We want to know more about this guy. We want to what? We want to know more about this guy. So like this, his information will what? Will appear. His name is Oga Sabinos. He's in Onasha. We can view results, 11 results about it. Titanium strike. As you can see, anywhere you touch, it will give you a full explanation of what you have scanned or what you have taken from your gallery. So as you can see, King Sabinos Onusha on Facebook, you go to, it will direct you to his page on Facebook like this. So as you are seeing, that is all about what we have scanned, which is Oga Sabinos, as you can see. So let's go back and check for the other pictures. We have finished with this one, then we have finished it. So we can go back and take other picture to scan and know more about it, like this one. That is Binash. We want to know more about it. It is chemical that is used to harvest a farm. That is all about Binash. Since network is poor, let us go back. So that is the price of Binash and the Binash liter and how it is work. You will know more about Binash by using this app. So we can go back and check for other things. That is post-op. Post-op. There is many types of post-op. As you can see, there is a sachets and a liter. You can take any one and search for its price and how it works and how to do it, do it. So we can go back and take other picture, which is the last page. I think last picture that we are going to use. Last picture that we are going to use as this thing. We are looking for this thing. That is Afra M Nora YouTube. It will direct you to that YouTube channel. You will know more about it. So as you can see, that is how we are going to use Google Lens app. So if that all, I can say thank you for watching. See you next time.